the media partners for the AIE conference this year. And for that, we have the privilege of speaking to a few sponsors. Some sponsors who are really doing a very valuable sponsorship, and that is the sponsorship of 40 SMME Black brokers that will be attending the conference. Constantia Insurance is one of those sponsors. And today I have got the privilege to speak to Heidi Dias, Executive Property and Casualty, Executive of Property and Casualty at Constantia Insurance. Hello, Heidi.
Hi there, my dear. How are you doing, Rianette? Nice to see you.
I'm great, and it's great to see you. So first of all, why are you sponsoring the SMME Black Brokers to attend the conference?
Why? Well, at Constantia, we are committed in supporting the IISA strategy, and that is of driving transformation in our industry. From a Constantia perspective, we are driven by our purpose, and that is, to enable our partner success. And, we think that by participating in the sponsorship, we are helping enable both the brokers we have sponsored to attend the conference, as well as our wonderful insurance industry, which plays a big role. So in summary, there's a lovely fit between our purpose, Constantia purpose, and this important initiative.
Yes, and I think it's a critical sponsorship, because we have to expand the members people who can attend the conference, and I think by being virtual, we can do that, which is absolutely great. What is the value for you in the sponsorship?
So I think the real value of the sponsorship is the long-term investment and the sustainability of our industry. There is a huge portion of the South African market that cannot access insurance offerings through these traditional channels, and are not reached and serviced by brokers who can understand their needs. So this is also in promoting better access to financial services products in the long term. So as stated, this initiative aligns perfectly with our Constantia purpose of enablement. And it's also critically important that our industry continues to transform and be representative. That's very important.
I agree with you. It's critical. The conference is on 2 and 3 August. What are you looking forward to, Heidi?
Well, we're not going to have the coffee lounge this year with the orange. The orange is a new black, and sure. Our lounge was quite vibrant. But I think first and foremost, what we're excited is that there's a conference this year, with last year's having rightly been postponed due to COVID. I think we are breaking new grounds this year in terms of it being a virtual conference on this magnitude. And this one is one of the biggest virtual conferences that we have planned. And there's certainly a lot of excitement in terms of how this will work out. Yes, we're not going to have the face-to-face interaction, but at least we have the virtual interaction. We'll still be able to interact virtually. Some people most probably prefer the face-to-face interaction. But if you look at the agenda, Rianette, there's a good range of speakers and topics which should ensure that the conference appeals to a wide audience. And, I'm personally looking forward to some great lineup of topics, including the world post-COVID-19, for example. There's another topic called innovative means of distributing insurance. So there's very good speakers that's going to come up this year. And of course, we're also excited to meet the brokers that we have sponsored.
Yes, of course. Thank you, Heidi. I'm really looking forward to the conference, and I agree with you. I think there's a good range of topics, and it's the nice thing is you can really hop on and hop off as the day and the 2 days goes by. So it is fantastic. Anything
different?
Anything
different?
Yes.
Sorry, different, but I think it will be just as special as the other other previous years. Absolutely.
For sure, and we have a resilient industry and we adapt. So it's going to be great. I know it's going to be great. Heidi, anything Constantia specific you would like to share with us?
Anything specific, Constantia, that I would like to touch on is firstly, obviously, to thank all our business partners that continue to support Constantia. From a Constantia perspective, we remain focused on realizing our purpose, and that is to enable our partner success. That's everything we do is around our partners. How do we enable our partners? And we look forward to working closely with our business partners, to co-create solutions and unlock shared value. That's what Constantia is all about, enabling our partner success. And lastly, expect big things, Rianette, of Constantia for the remainder of 2021 and beyond. So that's all I can say about watch the space, Rianette.
Oh, now I'm keen to hear more, and I'm excited. I can hear the excitement in your voice, and I'm excited with you. We've always been working well with Constantia, so I am really looking forward to sharing your stories going forward. So all the best for that. So Heidi, thank you very much for your time this morning. And I will definitely see you on the conference app. I see the activities going wild there and people getting stars and chasing each other for those points. So let's interact on the app then.
Yes, absolutely. I'm looking forward to interacting with you and catching up with you in between the conference and just to pick up how things are going, from your perspective. And yes, I'm looking forward to the conference. I'm personally very excited. I know there's been a lot of hard work with Thokozile and the team. She's put a lot of effort, and I'm very proud to serve on the ISA board and as a board member. I am confident that the conference will be a success.
I am sure it will be. Thanks, Heidi. Chat soon.